Page 64, the Erie Canal. This music is a score for a duet for a B-flat clarinet and a bassoon. It's fine, they're both woodwind instruments. They go together, they sound fine together. The challenge is, while a bassoon is a concert-keyed instrument, that is, a C on the piano is a C on a bassoon. You don't have to transpose it or nothing. It's like a violin or an oboe. They're concert instruments. The B-flat clarinet is not. So when a B-flat clarinet plays a C on the clarinet, it comes out as a B-flat on the piano. That's why it's called a B-flat clarinet. In other words, it's a major second apart. So the challenge here is you want to play both parts together. You have to transpose the B-flat clarinet part into concert pitch, because if I play it like this, it doesn't sound right, just like it's written. It's like, oh, really? There are some pieces that actually like that kind of harmony and will use it. Oh yeah, that's what I want. So what we want to do is we want to take the B-flat clarinet and transpose it. Which direction? Well, they see a D, the first note's a D, but on piano it's lower. It's a C, because a C on clarinet is a B-flat on piano. So piano is a major second down. So I got to take each of these notes down a major second. Now this is in the key of D minor. If you want to know what the concert key is, just look at the bassoon part. It's C minor. Okay, we're just going down one. So we're going to have three flats. So we're going to play in the key of C minor. Now we're just going to take every note down one note. So instead of a D, I'm going to play C's. Instead of an E, an F, I'm playing E, except I need an E flat because that's in C minor. So I'm taking each note down a major second. Here. Second line, instead of a C, I gotta go down one. It's here. Take each note down a major second. Then I can play them together here. So they're both playing the same thing here and here. Second line over here. So they're really close to each other. And that's the challenge here, is to do that and play it. There's a DC Alfine, you go back and do the first line again. So it's 3 lines long. Yeah. Now with the DC Alfine, you go back and play the first line again. And there's a repeat sign at the end of the first line. So you're going to play the first line twice. Then you do the second line. Then you go back and you do the first line again, but just do it one time. So the thing is actually twice as long as it looks. It's 4 lines long instead of 2. Hopefully you can do that okay. Let's play it together slowly, but I'm only going to play the B-flat clarinet part, because you can do the other part yourself. But I just want to make sure you've transposed it correctly. So I'll give us 4 counts. We'll do the DC Alfine. I didn't talk about articulation or none of that other stuff. You can add that in if you choose to. Just slowly, just to play the transposed part. You're starting in this position, by the way. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. the beginning.